Welcome to our Autopilot series. In this video, we're going to show you how an autopilot can be used to get customer reviews. I'm Poch from Intentionally Creative, the industry's leading liquor store niche marketing agency. Let's start here from the dashboard. We're going to go down and let's go to Autopilot. Now, under the Autopilot menu, we're just going to click on the plus icon here on the top right, and we're going to use the Create from Template. Now let's just choose a template, collect customer reviews. Now what's perfect about this is it already is built out for you. So all you have to do is go through each and every step, which we're going to do now, and just change the options as you see fit. All right. So for the first one, it's when the order is approved. So when an order is approved, so that's when the autopilot will take off or start. Now, how long should you wait until the trigger happens? 5,760 minutes. So you can change that as to how many minutes you'd like. You can ensure a time window. So when would this trigger? When it's between 10 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. or you can make it between 9 to 5. So it's really up to you when you would choose to that this flight would start or when this trigger would start. Then just click on submit when you're done. For the next step, these are for orders created greater than 10 years ago. Again, you can change this. It can be 5 years ago. It can be, so it's up to you as to when you would change this trigger, and then just click on submit when you're done. And lastly, what happens when all of those come together? Now, what will happen is an email will be sent out to that customer. So again, this is already all customizable. This email can be sent, it'll leave us a review on Google, collect us directly. So everything can be specified as to how you would like your customers to see this email. For more City Hive tips and tricks, join our newsletter in the link below. If you're a liquor store looking to grow your online or in-store sales quickly, visit us at intentionallycreative.com.